या ये बहाली?
This is, I think, that everybody is demanding that there should be, the statehood should be restored immediately, forthwith, and election should take place. And nobody is against, in person, against the lieutenant governor. Make the statehood, let him be the governor. He's welcome to be a governor. It's not a nice, it's a nice man, political person, maybe of other political party, but a political person, be of any political party, he has a political understanding. So to that extent, I don't think the governor is bad, but the system is bad. This, when in democracy you can't have the rule of officers. In Raj Bhavan, governor may be there with all the good intentions, but ultimately it is the officer, bureaucrat, who has to deliver. And bureaucrats in democracy are not cut up for running a democratic system of governance. They are made up to see the files in the offices and carry out the directions and the policies and programs of the representatives elected by the people. So that is lacking. That's lacking because the officers do not know what are the aspirations of the people. What do actually the people would like to have? They are not aware about which state or which district or which block would like to have the roads or hospitals or schools or colleges or universities or any other similar things, or food. So these type of things are lacking, and that solution can be, that solution can be sorted out by the public representatives, not by the officers. Beginning, during my 4 days visit to Srinagar, wherein I had an opportunity to meet the leaders, workers of 11 districts, 10 districts of Kashmir Valley and 1 district of Ramban districts. I think I have met thousands of people, as many as 160, 170 delegations over a period of 2 days, and each day I spend about 10 to 12 hours. So it was, of course, an eye opener, because a lot of people, and one thing is clear, that everybody has condemned on this targeted killing and recent killings across the state, be Muslims, Hindus, Sikh, or Kashmir. The foundation stones may be laid, but then they forget. And it was happening during my time also, which is why I changed the system, that I will not lay any foundation stone of any building unless that building has come to the ground level, at least unless the 25% work has been done. Because if a 25% work has been done, then it will take off. But if it's a greenfield project and you just put a foundation stone in greenfield, that never takes off. And this is what is happening. I had changed that system, but now it is happening across the board, and it is happening every day, that a lot of foundation stones are being laid, but they never take off. So the development. And then we don't have many resources here, but whatever resources we have, little one, the people from outside the state are being brought to take advantage of resources, particularly the mines. We have hardly mines, we have the sand mines and some stones. But those stone mines and what we call this sand, etc., the people from across the country are coming. Well, people from across the country are coming, but we are not a rich state, we are a very poor state. We don't have the local resources to distribute among ourselves. 4 दिन से श्रीनगर में आया. मेरी कोशिश तो थी, 15 दिन पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज दौरा करूंगा, लेकिन जो किलिंग पिछले 2 हफ्ते से हो रही है, नामालूम बंदूकधारी, ये पहली दफ़ा है कि एक ट्रेंड बदल गया. इसलिए अगर 30-32 साल से हम देखेंगे तो मिलिटेंट्स का लोगों को मारने का जो तरीका है, आम लोगों को, या लीडर्स को, मैं सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, उनका एक अलग तरीका है। तो पहले वक्त में ग्रेनेड और लैंड माइन से इस्तेमाल किया जाता था, फिर कार में मारे जाते थे जो भी टारगेट थे, और जब बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ियाँ आ गई तो वो कम हो गई। अब ये चौथा सिस्टम आ गया है कि पिस्टल से मारते और उसके जो भी टारगेट है उनका उसके पास से गुजरता, उससे बगल से गुजरते और बगल से मारना। तो ये मेरे ख्याल में would like to have the roads or hospitals or school or colleges or universities or any other similar things, or food. So these type of things are lacking, and that solution can be that solution can be sorted out by the public representatives, not by the officers. Beginning, during my 4 days visit to Srinagar, wherein I had an opportunity to meet the leaders, workers of 11 districts, 10 districts of Kashmir Valley and 1 district of Ramban districts. I think I met thousands of people, as many as 160, 170 delegations over a period of 2 days, and each day I spent about 10 to 12 hours. So it was, of course, an eye opener, because a lot of people, and one thing is clear, that everybody has condemned on this targeted killing and recent killings across the state, be Muslims, Hindus, Sikh, or Kashmiri Pandits. And they are equally concerned like the rest, the people from the rest part of the country. Rather, they are more concerned because they said the backlash will be in the Srinagar, not elsewhere in the country. So they are afraid of this backlash also, backlash of different types. So I think the entire valley is unanimous against this targeted killing, and of course they have always been against the militancy, because it has pushed us to poverty and backwardness. I would like to say I have come to the conclusion of my own conclusion, because in this long drawn militancy of more than 3 decades, the militants across the globe, and here in Jammu and Kashmir also, they have been changing trend from time to time. And 30 years back, there was open killing. They would come 10, 15 in number and then kill. They would put, use the blast. They would use grenades. They would use other methods. Now this is the latest method, using of a small pen type of these revolvers and passing through the target and just killing him there and then. So I think this is different type. So I think the security will have to find.
दिन भर की सभी खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए हमारी ऑफिशियल चैनल को, और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए, ताकि आप हो सके हर खबर से वाकिफ।